I'm gonna eat everything I can in Japan today. I'm gonna roll out of there like a big soy sauce ball. Yes, $200 and something broke.
She'll tell you which one to go to.
Okay. Excited? Me too. You gotta design your own car, okay? You excited? Yay, cholesterol. Go to 6. Alright, do your magic band. How rude you be. Pick your car. Which car design? This one? No, pick a race car. Next. Read it, Mama. Magic band. Make it blue. What kind of wheels do you want? Like this? Eel. Now what, baby? You gotta save it? What do you gotta do? That's good? You like it, Eeyore? Okay. Then when we get to the ride, you're actually gonna put your magic band again. Okay? All right. That car, baby. You want that one? You want that one? Why? That could be your new car in Kansas. You can drive it in the snow. It's just like your Honda Fit. Honda No Fit. Ah, Pika, meet that. There it is.
My car.
You excited?
Where's my car?
Down there. What? 3, 4. So tap your magic band. Well, he's the only one that did it. We didn't make our car. Only Iori made his car. Good job, Iori. Gambate, Ike. Iori, you scared? Hey, look at me.
What?
You excited? Mama's side. Here we go.
Hello. The seatbelt check is around the corner. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened in your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los niños.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the Sim Track.
Here we go, guys. Look at that. Iori.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. SIM-car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SIM-car for optimal eco efficiency. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total environmental impact.
Where's your car, Iori?
No.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Are you ready? Let's go outside.
Energizing for power
Here
test.
comes the fast part. There we go. You always look at me. Woohoo! Good job. Is that fun?
Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the sim car after you disembark.
Well, that was fun.
Please watch your step as you exit, and remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your
That is just really slow and can't do anything, and that's not good either.
I saw Mason's thing.
Huh?
Yeah.
You would.
Scan your band. There you are, 201. Good job, buddy. All right. Oh. Who's Brian? Casey? There's Brian's car. He likes Ford. This is Chevy cars. Alright, we're going to stop. We're going to see if I can find Mason Coon. Oh, there's your truck, Eeyore. Put your magic band. Did you do it? Oh, there's your truck. I think he's over there. Maybe. Come on, let's go look at the cars over here. Yeah. I told Mason to be over here. I guess he's not over here.
Rescuing, guys.
Say what?
Rescuing.
What's that?
For you, for the swimsuit.
You want a swimsuit? Well, let me call Mason when I go here. Well, that was fun, right?